I'm Lesley Logan. I'm here at my Pilates Haven on the Wunda chair. I've got one middle spring on, and I want to do some more tips on the side mermaid here. So I've done a collab with Andrea Maida Pilates. She's a YouTube channel as well. We've talked about mermaid on the Wunda chair, but I just want to talk with you a little bit more about my experience with the mermaid on the top of the Wunda chair. This is one of the hardest exercises in life for me for several reasons, just where the chair and my knees end up, the fact that it's a tall back into a side bend, two of the spine shapes and Pilates that I have the hardest time feeling. Extension and flexion, they're hard as well, but I at least can do them, whereas side bend, I'm like, and then tall back, it's like ribs out, gut out, it's a whole thing. So I have found that this exercise has taught me a lot of things once I realized I could release my expectations of what has to happen here. And so depending on your body shape, so different things are going to look differently. So first I set myself up, and then my inside leg is crossed on top to help ground this. Now for me, I'm actually really close to the pedal. I don't have to go very far, but I used to think, okay, now I'm on the pedal, now I can go. But the exercise actually starts before my hand's on the pedal. I have a friend whose arms are much shorter than I am because she's more petite, and her hand barely even makes it to the pedal before she is done with the exercise. So please release expectations always implies that the spring ever has to move, because it doesn't, right? So you take your arms out and then they go up, right? So I'm gonna lift up here. And I'm actually thinking a lot about my stomach massage on the reformer to push my legs forward so my stomach pulls in. And then I'm going up and over, and trying not to think about the down so much. My body is wanting to think about the down, but I'm gonna try not to think about the down. Now that I've touched the pedal, I keep going up and reaching my arms away from each other, and then I come all the way back up. So let's do that again. So it's really, again, I'm not doing this and then moving the pedal. I'm moving my spine into a side bend, and then my hand meets the pedal, but I just keep going in my side bend, and then I come out of my side bend, and then I come off the pedal. Okay, so for you, you may never hit the pedal, but you just keep going as much as you can. Now, I talked about stomach massage as the way that I think about this exercise. If you can really take a look at your stomach massage and how much by reaching into the pedal you can turn your seat and center on, it's going to make a lot of exercises where your legs are unsupported a lot easier. So again, my legs are reaching into an imaginary foot bar so that I can lift out of my lower back, and then I can go up and over, up and over, up and over, and I can keep reaching. And then I don't go further than I can stay connected so I can come back up. So again, great way to teach side bending exercises. Great exercise for teaching that it's not about opening the spring at all. It's about moving from the center and allowing the body to connect to whatever piece of equipment it is, and just using this as a tool for more Pilates exercises that you're already doing. I'm Lesley Logan. For more videos from me, please subscribe below. Thank you for watching.